Hey guys, yesterday I have one good trade on gold. uh, I can see I can see that in this box the price is in a range. The price is in a range. In this area, the price is in a range. I'm 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 not really interested. I'm not really interested in trading within the range, but when I look on the when I look on the price, when I look on daily time frame, I can feel that the price is on an uptrend, as I mark here, as I drew here. The price break this high, pulls back, and I think that the prices will continue to go higher. So therefore, I decided to get in the trade on 4 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame. After this breakout, the price pulls back. And right here, this from this swing high to over here is my area of interest. That's when I decided to get into the to the lower time frame to see if there any sign, any signs of reversal on lower time frame, or is or is on lower time frame, just for me to right. I'll get it. I went down to a lower time frame to see if there is any sign of reversal on lower time frame. Then when I get into I switched to 1 hour time frame. Nothing interesting. And on 15-minute time frame, I can see I could I can I could saw that the price is broke this swing low on 15 minute and created a lower low here and lower high and a lower low. So I can confident to say I confidently to I am confident I I I I I am confident to say that the price I was confident to determine that the price was in a downtrend on 15 minutes time frame at that time, right? So what is my confirmation for an entry? My confirmation for an entry is when the price broke this high to create a higher high on 15 minutes, which mean that is that is the confirmation, which which meant that I could get in, right? I paid I patiently waited for the price to broke, and it looked like it's broke. No, it's not broke that there. It's pulled back. It's no, it's not broke. Right. All right. So the price broke this high. It's also right here. It broke this high as well. So you can see this is the low. This is the high. This is the higher low. And this is higher high. So this is the confirmation that I'm looking for to enter the trade that I I I've been waiting for to enter the trade. So I think that the price might pull. I think the price might pulls back a little bit lower for me to enter. So I decided that I will wait for the price to go down a little. I decided that I will wait for the price to go down to go down a little bit more to have a better risk reward ratio, which what I did, price, and I get to, I get in right here. And my stop loss was there, right? And basically when the price, this is the first target, and I would close most of the trade around this time, around this at this point. I will close most most portion, a large percentage of my position at this at this area, and look what the price did. Go down, let's go down, let's go down again, not touching my stop loss. Right. Now, right here at this point, right here at this point in time, the price reached to 1 to 1, um, reach 1 to 1 risk reverse ratio, and I decided to not. I decided to move the stop loss to break even at this point. I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson. So I don't want to make the same mistake again. I moved the stop loss to break even when 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 it's reached 1 to 1 ratio. Okay. And I wait again the price. Nah, right here, when the price is reached this area, I close 75% of my trade, of my position, and I still keep one, and I hope that it could break this area and go much higher, right? But the price is create this candle, and I decided to close the trade right after, right? After that, uh, I decided to close the trade right after that candle. I mean, I guess there's the fear in me that 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 in me that I fear that I might lose my lost like 30 no 25% of the trade. If I could keep the trade, I would probably get another R as the price break this level, and the price break this level. But that's fine because that trade was a good trade, and I execute it right. I manage it right, and I I maybe in the future, if I can have a larger size account, then I will leave like maybe 5% or 10% of the total position to I will leave a runner about like 5 or 10% of of the total position size. But right now I wanna like manage the trade well, and yeah, manage the trade well, and keep my um and keep my my account out of the drawdown. Another thing that I regret from this trade is that my entry could be a little bit better. I actually keep my I actually I have s- actually I had some I had I had um a limit order right here, right? And the same with the same stop loss. I have a limit order right there, and I think that the price would hit that. But after this rejection candle, and I decided to get in. Um, if I can, if I keep, if I use the limit order, and I would have a much better reward. So as you can see, at least four 4 hours 4 hours from this trade. But anyway, that was a good one. That was a good trade, and I am totally fine with that. The overall reward is only over 1 point, almost 2 hour. Not cannot reach 2 hour, but it's the good one. That was a good trade, and I am quite happy with that. So, oh, I want to show you actually trade is happening here. So this is 4/8 time frame, and let's go to 50 minutes. Uh, see, this is my entry. I have one bad entry here, so when the price breach again, I close it and I re-enter around here, and then I close most of them up there, and I trail myself out over there, and the price reached that, and it took me out, and the price reached that, and it took me down. Yeah, that is the result. Okay, it was a good one, and that was a good trade, and that is all. That is all. That is everything I want to say in this video. I hope you guys have a good weekend, I guess, because I might not trade. I might not have any trade for today. Oh, on on the future trade, if the price can pull back to maybe this area, as is break here and break this swing, I might get in around here. I will set an alarm right there, and I will come back. I will come back when the price hit that. So hope you guys have a good, oh sorry, good weekend, good trading day. Thank you very much.